Today we're going to cast on 10 stitches. So you're going to take the yarn that's attached to the skein, make a circle with your hands. The yarn is facing towards you. You put the needle through the loop and gently tighten it. Again, another loop onto the needle. Take your hands, create the loop, put your needle in and pull it tight, not too tight, keep the stitches loose. It'll help you when you're knitting in the future. Yeah, make the loop with your hands. The needle goes in, you pull it, making loose stitches to start you off. I recommend starting off with 10 stitches when you're just beginning, but any amount will do. Another loop with your hands, put the needle in, pull the yarn, and you will be on your way to knitting in no time. Count your stitches, make sure you have the proper amount, and there you go, you're ready to start knitting.